Ucaman ke Regional Committee ke West Khasi Hills ubak polling do ubadairu Menteri Sarkar ke Jela Hakandriu Tarik Risau ula ong baka jingleit jurip ya ke Langpih sektor bat ka jing IT ya ke Kaipot daki Regional Committee ke Asaman Meghalaya on pendep Hapoh jong ni bnai Risau arah jarar pulai. Haba keren Syllad Pathai Khubor ubak pol ula ong bementau Menteri ke Sarkar Assam Ushandra Mohan Patowari mentau udang don hapedeng ke jingleit bat hadin ba ulawan phai Guwahati kin saya penbaik ya kasingi na kebentakan ni ke jingleit jurip ya ke Langpih sektor. Nalor kata ula ong ru bakin persyang ban pendap ya ke Kaipot balaya mir jemut lang daki ar komiti. Kata ke ban penmi tang ya ke we ke Kaipot bala pen krek daki ar komiti. Henry ya ke ni ke jingleit jurip bat ke jing IT ya ke Kaipot on pendap no Hapoh jong ni bnai Risau. Syuk ula ong ru ba on pendam kam Satya ya ki bor pahara ke Sarkar pedeng Hapoh Langpih sektor. Kani kalong namar ka Kaipot ka bami na Langpih ka penmi bakam syamladon Satya kanu ka jinya kan at. Kumta ya kini ki bor pahara on ben ap tang hakito ki jaka ki balami ki jinya kan at lane ki bala ban mi jinya kan at. Henry ngala ban pentikna bahadin bangilala ban ya penbej habaro kito ki jaka bami ki jinya ka Japon ki badan baro andriu jaka. Kata ka balahiar na ki khat artali ngin sala ban weng ya baro kini ki jing ong syushu ucaman ka Regional Committee ka West Khasi Hills. Ula pentip baka Sarkar kala syim ya kesinjam ban penkhelanya ka bor pulin. Ula ong baka Sarkar mentah ki don hadu arah jar sans pangun ki badang leit pentebet bat haki khendiat benaikin ruang syakakam. Bat naki saw hajar ki pos badang thali on pendap house number 1.
As soon as our counterparts from Assam are free, Mr. Patowari is currently on tour. Once he reaches Guwahati, we should be able to finalize on the dates. But everything will be completed within October of this year.
State government?
Yes, within October. We will try to come up with a report that both the state, the two committees share, which means it will be a comprehensive single report prepared by the two regional committees. That is bound to happen. It has been happening for several decades now, but I can assure you that once we are in a position to finally settle all areas wherever we have differences, which is now 6 areas. I mean, from 12 now it has come down to 6. Once that is in place, we will be able to resolve the matter. 2 is we are also strengthening the state police. You're aware that currently about 2,500 young youths are undergoing training. They will complete the training in the next couple of months and then join the state police. And apart from that, about 4,000 new vacancies will also be filled up subsequently, meaning by next year. See, these are the final recommendation of the two regional committees. Since we are going also to the sites, that will form the basis of the final MOU. So you might have picked up the name of a village, 1 or 2, but finally it will be what the two regional committees will recommend, and hopefully we will do that jointly, so that it becomes easier for the two state governments to then accept. This committee has a very clear terms of reference, and that includes only the unresolved part, not the part that was dealt in the first MOU. The ice is melting, things are improving, and once the final MOU is signed, the border conflict will be a thing of the past. And you should also give us credit, for resolving a matter that emerged when I was barely a kid. As of date, reports that have emerged from Langpih does not indicate any possibility of skirmishes or conflicts. So these forces will only be deployed in high sensitive locations where troubles have broken out or have the potential of breaking out. We send Meghalaya police, Assam will object. If Assam sends Assam police, Meghalaya will object. If we send paramilitary forces, central forces, some NGOs will object. If we do not send anyone, then also you will object. Then who do we send? We cannot leave that area as it is, unmanned, unguarded, because you are objecting to Assam police, Meghalaya police, central forces, army, navy, everyone.